Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother HL-L2361DN driver. So guys, first open any browser to Google search box to type like that brother and model number and after that driver. Okay, then you will get the support.brother.com. So guys, if you show another websites, only download driver from official website. Like this is of brother official website. Okay, so click on it. Select the Windows, Mac, Linux, mobiles also there. So Windows, select Windows 11 and Windows 10 32-bit 64-bit also there, but installations same like Windows 11 and server also. Then click to OK. Then this is the first full driver with a software pack. So if you want to with the software, so you can download this. Installation process also same. This is a printer driver, only driver. Click on it. Scroll down, click to agree and download. After that it will start downloading. Okay, click on this locations where it is downloaded. It will open this and just right click to open, and this same locations to extract and it will create another folder. Okay, so you can see this is your printer driver. Now how to install, and most important guys, on your printer and connect to the your desktop and laptop via printer USB cable. Then click to start and then go to setting. Then click printer and devices, and then printer and scanner, Bluetooth and device and printer scanner. Okay, then click to add device. So it will show after some seconds, within 5 seconds, manual options. You can see. Select the last, then next, click have disk, click browse and go to these locations where it is extracted and created folder. So this one, open this and select this file .inf and then click to OK. Now find out your printer to HL-L2361. So 2361 printers come on this series 2360. Then next it, next and next. Finish. Now your printer is installed. Just click on it, and before printing you have to restart your printer and your desktop also and laptop also, which is you connected. And guys, if you want to share on the network on same printer, so click on printer property, then click to share, check this. Okay, then go to security, then select everyone and click to advance, find out everyone, double click on it, show permissions, check this all, then click to apply OK, and also admin full access, then apply and then OK. Now your printer is share on the network, so you can search on the network and after that you can connect it. Okay, thank you.